Clear 2 Sierra Papa, roger, contact ground point 7.
Ground, Street, 44 Street, 2 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 26 Foxtrot, contact Whiteman Tower 135.0.
Thank you very much, Van Nuys. 126 Foxtrot, 135.0, good day.
Good day.
Van Nuys Tower, this is 861 Quebec, ready for IFR release.
And the 861 Quebec, Van Nuys Tower, roger, stand by, waiting for release. Bonanza 8621 Quebec, climb maintain 4000, running 16 right, clear for takeoff. Traffic over the 45101 interchange is multiple helicopters, altitude indicates 1,400 between 1,600.
Okay, 8621 Quebec is cleared for 16 right. Now it's supposed to have a restriction of 1,700 feet. Is that off?
Bonanza 21 Quebec, affirmative, running 16 right, clear for takeoff, no restrictions.
Okay, clear for takeoff, climb and maintain 4,000 feet, 861 Quebec.
Diamond 80 Echo Foxtrot, turn right, fly direct for the numbers. Expect running 16 o'clock.
Alright, turning right, flying to the numbers, expecting 16, last 30 Echo Fox.
Yeah, good evening, Van Nuys. Falcon 783 Foxtrot Sierra over Katy, with you on the visual to 16 right.
Falcon 783 Foxtrot Sierra, Van Nuys Tower, roger, number 2, following a diamond and a 2.5 mile right base. Wind 23010.
Okay, 3 Fox Sierra, do you need us to slow it up a little bit more, or are we okay here?
Falcon 3 Foxtrot Sierra. Affirmative, if you can, please slow down.
Yeah, we'll do that. 3 Fox Sierra.
Bonanza 21 Quebec, previously called traffic ahead and to your left, half a mile over the 45101 interchange, multiple helicopters.
861 Quebec.
Bonanza 21 Quebec, you appear to be veering eastbound early now.
Too early, 861 Quebec.
Bonanza 21 Quebec, additional traffic ahead and to your left 1.5 miles. A Cessna entering the left now, and altitude indicates 1,800. Bonanza 21 Quebec, continuous climb, contact hotel departure 124.6.
124.6, 861 Quebec.
Diamond 8 Echo Foxtrot change to runway 16 left, contact tower now 120.2.
Tower 120.2 for 308 Echo Foxtrot, 16 left.
Falcon 3 Foxtrot Sierra, traffic 12 o'clock, 1 mile and a right base change for the parallel runways of Diamond, altitude indicates 1,600.
Inside for Falcon 3 Fox Sierra.
Falcon 3 Foxtrot Sierra, Roger number 1, running 16 right, clear to land, wind 220 and 6.
Okay, clear to land, 16 right, 3 Fox Sierra.
Diamond 308 Echo Foxtrot, contact tower 120.2. Diamond 308 Echo Foxtrot, if you're still on my frequency, started.
Van Nuys Tower, good evening, 9536 Delta. We're coming up to Guinea Center 2,900, and we have a squawk code 0222.
Cessna 9536 Delta, Van Nuys Tower, Roger, make right traffic for anyone 6 right. Be advised, new traffic advisories for the next 3 miles.
Right traffic, 16 right, 9536 Delta.
Falcon 3 Foxtrot Sierra, contact ground point 7, good night.
Ground point 7, 3 Fox Sierra, good night.
Cessna 36 Delta, turn left, fly direct over the Encino Reservoir, traffic over the 405-101 interchange. Multiple helicopters, altitudes indicate 1,300 through 1,600.
Turn left, 9536 Delta. Looking for the traffic.
And Tower, good evening, King Air 575, we have Delta order coming up to hold short Charlie, ready for departure and sequence.
King Air 575 Romeo Delta, Van Nuys Tower, Roger, stand by, wait 9 for release.
5 Romeo Delta.
Bonanza 575, or correction, King Air 575, Romeo Delta, crash running on 6 left, running on 6 right, clear for takeoff, wind 330 at 10.
Okay, we'll cross 16 left. We're clear for takeoff on 16 right, 575, Romeo Delta.
Van Nuys Tower, Jet is 35, visual runway 16 right on the downwind.
Bonanza 5 Romeo Delta without delay, cross running on 6 left, running on 6 right, clear for immediate takeoff.
Clear for the immediate takeoff without delay, 5 Romeo Delta.
King Air 5 Romeo Delta, sorry about that. Jet at 35, Van Nuys Tower, running on 6 right, clear to land, wind 250 at 10.
16 right, clear to land, Jet is 35.
Cessna 36 Delta, turn left 20 degrees.
Let's set again, 2 left.
Cessna 36 Delta, affirmative, widen out the downwind, please. Turn left 15 degrees.
Roger that. Left 15 degrees, 36 Delta.
Cessna 36 Delta, maintain 2,500 for the next mile or so. Traffic departing will be southwestbound at King Air, just south of the tower now.
To the 2,500.
King Air 5 Romeo Delta, traffic ahead and to your right, 1 mile in the downwind of Cessna. Altitude indicates 2,500. Who's going to maintain that altitude till north of your position?
Okay, inside 5 Romeo Delta.
King Air 5 Romeo Delta, roger, thank you for your help. Contact SoCal departure, good day.
Over departure 5 Romeo Delta, good night.
Jet Edge 35, traffic on a left base for the parallel Cessna.
Traffic inside, Jet is 35.
Cessna 36 Delta, you can continue your descent to pattern altitude.
Continue descent to the pattern altitude, 9536 Delta.
Clear to land, wind 250 at 10, caution wake turbulence.
Careful us, 35.
Cessna 9536 Delta, affirmative, you're number 2, following a Galaxy short final, caution wake turbulence, wind 250 at 10, running 16 right, clear to land.
16 right, clear to land, number 2, 9536 Delta.
And ma'am, 36 Delta, how far the Galaxy, can you tell us please?
Cessna 9536 Delta, the Galaxy is on deck now.
Roger that, thank you. We got him.
Cessna 36 Delta, traffic will be on a left base for the parallel, fixed wing.
Roger that, we'll look for the traffic, 36 Delta.
Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 20202 is at the Santa Susana Pass inbound for landing with information hotel.
Cessna 20202, Van Nuys Tower, NOI base, running 16 right, squawk 0261.
Squawking 0261, entering a right base for 16 right, 202.
Jet Edge 35, contact ground point 7.
Point 7, Jet is 35, good night.
Good night. Cessna 202, turn right, fly direct to the VOR.
Turning right and flying directly to the VOR. Cessna 202.
Cessna 36 Delta, continue down, exit at the high speeds, contact ground point 7, traffic will be crossing at Kilo.
Roger that, continue to high speed and expedite 36 Delta.
Cessna 202, running 16 right, clear to land, wind 250 at 7.
16 right, clear to land, Cessna 202.
Van Nuys Tower, Centurion 67 Echo Charlie, Hollywood, coming up on the K-Joy Tower with information hotel landing.
Centurion 67 Echo Charlie, Van Nuys Tower, roger, make left traffic, running on 6 bus, log 0271, contact tower now, 120.2.
0271 the squawk and 120.2 will contact tower now, 7 Echo Charlie.
Van Nuys Tower, command to November 8051 Papa, 2,500 feet down, bound for landing with Nathan Hotel.
Comanche 8051 Papa, Van Nuys Tower, and right base, running 16 right, you'll be number 3, following a Challenger on a 9-mile final.
Number 3, back base 16 right, 5 Papa.
Nice Tower, Starbase 219 is coming up on 6 miles for the ILS 16 right.
Starbase 219, Van Nuys Tower, running 16 right, clear to land, wind 260 at 8.
16 right, clear to land, Starbase 219.
Tower Peg Jet 13, visual 16 right. Van Nuys Tower, Peg Jet 13, visual 16 right.
Peg Jet 13, Van Nuys Tower, Roger. Continue your number 2, following a Challenger on a 4.5 mile final.
We'll continue Peg 13.
Cessna 202, contact ground point 7.
Ground point 7, thanks, 202.
Comanche 5-1, Papa, turn right, fly direct to Cal State Northridge, expect to enter the right downwind, be number 3, following a Gulfstream.
Turn right, enter right downwind for 16 right, and 5 on Papa.
Comanche 5-1, Papa, turn right, fly direct to Cal State Northridge, and when you get to Cal State Northridge, expect to enter the downwind.
Cal State Northridge direct, 5 on Papa.
Tower, Gulfstream 451 Golf Alpha with you, visual approach 16 right.
Gulfstream 451, Golf Alpha, Van Nuys Tower, Roger, number 2, following a Gulfstream on an 8 mile final.
Okay, Golf Alpha, roger that, thanks.
Starbase 219, contact ground point 71 exiting.
Starbase 219.
Peg Jet 13, running 16 right, clear to land, wind 27010.
Clear to land 16 right, Peg 13.
Comanche 5-1, Papa.
Yeah, Van Nuys Tower, 5 on Papa.
Comanche 5-1, Papa, continue in the right base and expect to turn northbound to enter the downwind.
Continue on the base and expect downwind. This is still for 16 right, 5 on Papa.
Comanche 5-1, Papa, affirmative, unless you'd like running 16 left.
16 right is just fine, 5 on Papa.
Comanche 5-1, Papa, roger. There's multiple Gulfstreams inbound from the north, so I expect to enter right traffic to follow the Gulfstream.
Enter right traffic, 16 right, 5 on Papa.
Van Nuys Tower, traffic watch 729 Zulu is West 118 approaching the 405 at 2000, inbound for landing.
I've got 739er Yankee Zulu, Van Nuys Tower, roger, and the left base, running 16 left, contact tower 120.2.
120.2, Nike Zulu.
Exit 13, no need to respond, traffic crossing midfield from east to west, helicopter 1,300, no factor. Gulfstream 1 Golf Alpha, your number 2, following a Gulfstream short, final running 16 right, clear to land, wind 270 at 10.
Clear to land, 16 right, number 2, Golf Alpha, thanks.
Comanche 5-1 Papa, traffic's on a 4-mile final with Gulfstream descending at a 2,600. Do you have them in sight?
We've got traffic in sight, 5-1 Papa.
Comanche 5-1 Papa, roger, number 2, following the Gulfstream, running 16 right, clear to land, wind 280 at 10.
Number 2, clear to land, 16 right, 5-1 Papa.
Tag Jet 13, turn left at Romeo, helicopter landing Alpha on the southwest corner.
Left turn Romeo, peg.
Tag Jet 13, contact ground point 7.
Point 7.
Comanche 5-1 Papa, base turn approved.
Base turn approved, 5-1 Papa.
Check. Check.
Wind 290 at 10.
Thank you.
Gulfstream 1 Golf Alpha, contact ground point 71 exiting.
7, thank you.
Comanche 5-1 Papa, contact turbulence for the arrived Gulfstream, wind 290 at 10, running 16 right, clear to land.
16 right, clear to land, 5-1 Papa.
Nuys Tower, Tiger 9242 Zulu.
Let's go and Van Nuys again.
Tiger 9242
42 Zulu is over the Getty. I just transition through, land at Whiteman.
November 2942 Zulu, Van Nuys. Tower to transition approved. Van Nuys altimeter 3001. Squawk 0203. Contact tower on 120.2.
Tower, and then go to 0203. 42 Zulu.
No, 42 Zulu, squawk 0203. Contact tower on 120.1. Correction, contact tower 120.2.
0.2, 40 Zulu.
Van Nuys Tower, station 560 Charlie Juliet, switch to visual, 16 right.
Citation 560 Charlie Juliet, Van Nuys, tower number 2, following a Comanche short final, running 16 right, cleared land.
Clear land number 2, 560 Charlie Juliet.
Van Nuys Tower, 5 Papa is going around.
Comanche 5-1 Papa, roger over the flood basin, make right, close traffic, pattern altitude 2000.
Right close traffic, pattern altitude 2000. 5 Papa.
Comanche 5-1 Papa, you appear to be drifting to the left, turn right 20 degrees.
Right 20 degrees, 5 Papa. And Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 2774 Juliet over Simonson around the pass down the hotel.
Cessna 2774 Juliet, Van Nuys, tower and right base, new 16 right, squawk 0205.
0205 and right base 16 right.
Cessna 74 Juliet, verify you did have a hotel.
Affirmative on hotel.
Comanche 5-1 Papa, citation on a 4-mile final just north of the 118 freeway, descending 3000. Important sight to follow.
We've got traffic in sight. We'll follow that traffic. 5 Papa.
Comanche 5-1 Papa, number 2, runway 16 right, clear to land, wind 270 at 8. Traffic will be on final for the parallel.
Clear to land, 16 right, number 2, 5 Papa.
Citation 0 Charlie Juliet, traffic will be on left base for the parallel runway. Additional traffic midfield east to west, helicopter 1300.
All right, we're looking for that traffic, 0 Charlie Juliet.
Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 9074 Tango, I will with you inbound with hotel.
Cessna 974 Tango Alpha Van Nuys tower, coming way from the south. In the future, call that you're coming from the south, or at least give your position. Right traffic, runway 16 right.
Cessna 74 Tango Alpha, right traffic or 16 right.
Wind 270 at 8. Wind 300 at 4. Wind 270 at 8. This is San Ford Julie, number 3, follow Comanche 2 to 1 o'clock, 2.5 miles ahead at 2,000.
74 Juliet, looking no joy.
This is San Ford Juliet, the Comanche's turning at 1.5 miles right base, wing up now, 1 o'clock, 2 miles ahead at 1,800. Number 3, runway 16 right, clear to land, wind 270 at 7.
74 Juliet, can you call our base?
This is San Ford Juliet, you are on base, clear to land, number 2.
Sorry about that, I meant the final.
Citation 0 Charlie Juliet, ground point 7, when exiting.
1.7 exiting 0 Charlie Juliet.
Wind 270 at 10. Wind 270 at 8. That's a 740, the Comanche is a quarter mile final, well ahead, facing adequate, wind 270 at 8.
74 Juliet, thank you.
Comanche 5-1 pop-up, is there a reason for your touch and go?
No, we're just having some bad landings. 5-1 Papa.
Comanche 5-1 pop-up, do you still want to do touch and goes in the pattern?
Negative, we're trying to land 5-1 Papa.
Comanche 5-1 pop-up, understand. Turn right crosswind to downwind now.
Turn right crossing to downwind now. 5-1 Papa.
Comanche 5-1 Papa, when you turn northbound, you can expect 16 left. There's going to be a Boeing inbound. He's going to be for the long runway. Unless you want to extend way out, the left runway will be available. If you want to extend, then the right runway you're going to have to extend.
We'll extend downwind for the 16 right. 5-1 Papa.
Comanche 5-1 Papa, understand, when you get to the 118 freeway, make a left 360 for spacing in.
360 at 118. 5-1 Papa.
Unless 5-1 Papa, you can make a nice short approach in front of the Boeing.
It's okay. We'll just go ahead and do the 360. 5-1 Papa.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, traffic 1 to 2 o'clock, 2.5 miles is the Comanche. They'll be turning northbound. Turn right 20 degrees to pass behind. Continue your descent to 1,800. Cross midfield at 1,800. Once you're east of the field, turn left for the downwind for left traffic, runway 16 left. Over.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, crossing, turning right, 20 degrees, crossing the field, naming for 1,800.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, and traffic at your 1 to 12 o'clock is a Comanche. He's going to continue northbound. You're passing behind him.
Tango Alpha, traffic in sight.
Tango Alpha, thank you. Resume your own navigation. Additional traffic will be low-level helicopters along the 405 freeway at 1,300. Cessna 74 Juliet, right turn when able, ground point 7.
4 Juliet.
Boeing 108 Mike Sierra, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right, number 1, cleared to land, safe parking.
We're going signature on the southwest side. Clear to land. 16 right, 108 Mike 0.
Boeing 8 Mike Sierra, when you exit, remain with me. Continue your taxi to the signature east ramp. This frequency, please.
Okay, I think we're going signature west, though.
Oh, November 8 Mike Sierra, make the right turn. Taxi signature west ramp. This frequency, right turn with me.
Okay, right turn with you. 108 Mike 0.
Boeing 8 Mike Sierra, traffic will be on left base with a parallel. Additional traffic on the west downwind, 1 o'clock, 2.5 miles is a Comanche. He'll be number 2 to follow you.
Okay, we got the west side traffic looking for the other east side traffic. 108 Mike 0.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, traffic, Boeing 3 mile final for the parallel. Turn base abeam to VA Hospital, runway 16 left, clear to land. Caution wake turbulence, wind 2706.
4 Tango Alpha, got traffic inside, turned base at the hospital.
Turkey 480 Van Nuys Tower, without delay, runway 16 left, cleared for takeoff, approved at the basin. Wind 2706. And Comanche 51 Papa for space, and if you'd like to do the left 360 there, approved.
Left 360, 51 Papa.
Silver 51 Papa, we're showing you at 3,000. Would you descend back down to 2,000, please?
Descending down to 2,000. We're actually indicating 2,800, so we'll go ahead and descend.
Silver 51 Papa, indicating 3,100 now. I'd get that checked out. We're 300 feet off. Van Nuys altimeter's 3002.
002, 51 Papa.
Cherokee 480, traffic along the 101 freeway will be numerous, well, not numerous, there's a couple of them at 1,000 up 500, so ensure that you turn your crosswind at the basin to be north of the 101. Comanche 51 Papa, slow it down again because the Boeing needs to be clear of the wide wing area. Square the turn of final, runway 16 right, clear to land, caution wake turbulence, wind variable at 4. Traffic Cessna, mile final for the parallel.
Clear to land, 16 right, traffic for the parallel, 51 Papa.
Boeing 8 Mike Sierra, continue your taxi with me, please, if you can, expedite off the runway. I understand you're going to signature west ramp, so that'll be a right turn off, correct?
That's correct. 108 Mike 0 will stay with you next day.
Cherokee 482, have you turned westbound? Cherokee 48 Zulu, traffic 1 o'clock, 2.5 miles west. Eastbound is another 737 into Burbank at Warner Center, frequency change approved.
Cessna 74 Tango Alpha, go around.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, continue in left closed traffic. Are you working the pattern, or is this next one going to be a full stop?
Cessna 74 Tango Alpha, working the pattern.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, advise earlier in the future, please, if you want to work the pattern. Left closed approved.
74 Tango Alpha.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, traffic at the 101 freeway, 2 helicopters at 1,500. Ensure that you turn your left crosswind prior to the 101 for the traffic.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, left crosswind prior to the 101.
Wind 270 at 8. Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, caution wake turbines for the Beachliner descending overhead into Burbank. Runway 16 left, cleared for the option, wind 270 at 8.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, got traffic inside.
Comanche 5-1 Papa, right turn when able, ground point 7.
Right turn, full ground, 11, 5, Papa.
Happy Night Tower, 4 Tango Alpha. Is 16 right available?
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, is this going to be a full stop then on 16 right, or do you still want to work the pattern?
Oh, we can do whatever you like for 4 Tango Alpha.
Cessna 4 Tango, let's stay on the left until you want a full stop and exit the parking. Then we'll give you the long runway if there's available. 16 left, clear for the option.
Okay, could we do a full stop on 16 right this time?
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, change your 16 right, runway 16 right, clear to land. We'll see if you land. Wind 270 at 8.
Okay, clear to land at 16 right. Full stop, 4 Tango Alpha.
Wind 270 at 7. 4 Tango Alpha, stay parking.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, would like to taxi back to departure.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, can you accept intersection Kilo for departure, or do you want the full length at Charlie?
Section 2 is all right.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, stop and go is approved. Runway 16 right at Kilo, cleared for takeoff. Continue in left closed traffic, wind 330 at 4.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, clear for takeoff, left close traffic.
Van Nuys Tower information, India current, wind 290 at 6, altimeter 3002. Van Nuys Tower information, India current, wind 350 at 5, altimeter 3002. Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, runway 16 right, cleared for the option. Continue in left close.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, 16 right, clear for the action, continue on left traffic.
Wind 330 at 5.